Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. As you guys can see, I've got a ton of micro kits here in front of me. These are newly reformatted and I believe, yeah, there are 11 of these. They're currently going to be $5 through Sunday. These actually got listed last night, so a lot of you guys may have already seen them, but I'm a little late getting the actual video up. So they will be $5 through Sunday, and then they will revert to the normal price of $7.50. But like I said, reformat, I'm so pumped about it. Thank you to everybody in the Facebook group who kind of like gave input and helped me get this reformat finished. That's always really helpful to have the input of everybody in the group. So I got the reformat done. I am so in love with how it turned out and I want to go ahead and show it to you guys. So I'm going to zoom you guys in just a bit. Okay, so the first thing I actually want to show you is a sampler that's going to be going into orders. I've actually already started putting this into orders. So this is just a little Christmas tree, and as you guys can see, there is some Christmas deco, so it's just like an offset of the deco. I just thought this was really cute and really fun for the holiday season. I think you guys can see I am going to go ahead and cut lights off just so you can see the foil. So I apologize if the lighting is now terrible, but now you guys can actually see the foiling on it. So yeah, so this is a freebie that's just going into orders. Like I said, some of the ones that are shipping today, I've already been putting this into. And then just really quickly, I want to show you guys in case you haven't seen, I did a collab with Bean Sprout Paper Co. What is happening with my camera? Anyway, so I did a collab with Bean Sprout Paper Co. So this is free with any order. You just need to put Pup Pals into the comments. And then if you place a $50 order, same thing, Pup Pals in the comments. This is a foiled freebie. I have shown these, and then there's also an image on Instagram if you want to see those a little bit closer. But no note for this though. This is just kind of going into random orders though. Just want to go ahead and throw that out there. It says random. I'm still putting like PR freebies into certain orders. It just kind of depends. If I've got a bunch of these sitting around like I do right now, that's when I'm throwing them in. So let's get started on these. I want to show you guys the format on one kit and then we'll just kind of go through some of them because they are all, turn this off, what's happening? No. There we go. So they are all, you know, obviously a little bit different on their theme, but they do all still have the same format. So this is the reformat of, or I shouldn't say that, this is the micro version because none of these have been available in micro before. Some of these are older kits though, but nothing that we've had in micro. So this is showers. So it's a little bit early to be bringing this back, but someone had mentioned it in a different video, so I figured I'd go ahead and do it. So your quote box says, April showers bring May flowers, and then you've got your umbrella. And then let's talk a little bit about the actual reformat. All of these, there are now 8 headers, and they are now flat instead of being scalloped. The bows have changed, as you guys can see, so I hope you guys like that. And then I did change the bow down here in these boxes as well to match this. And then over here, we took away the bow box, or I should say I. Anytime I refer to the shop, though, I say we because it's like me, Mom, Mike, like there's so many things happening. Anyway, so I did these double lines on these boxes instead of those bows. And then I did switch the scalloped bow checklist down here to hearts. Again, most of this was stuff that I polled the Facebook group, and the Facebook group said that they like to check off instead of having the bows. So we went ahead, I went ahead and did that. And then I did change the font over here on the date covers, as well as added in the little circles so that you could write the dates in. Again, Facebook group voted on that font. It was actually really close between this one and another one, but I foiled both and looked at them and I really preferred the way this one foiled. So that is your reformatted first sheet. And then your second sheet, I did the same thing as far as the checklist goes. Those got switched over to hearts so that you guys could actually check them. They are still scalloped though, as you can see. And then the big thing requested was washi. We've got that all right here. Weekly tracker and daily trackers. So we got 1 weekly tracker, 2 daily trackers. There's actually 2 just kind of like little things up top because that's what I could fit. They're just both hearts, so they should work for whatever. And then you've got 3 pieces of this larger washi, 6 pieces of this smaller washi, and then these stayed the same. So you've got squared off quarter boxes down here, half boxes here. These are like well, I guess these are kind of like 1/8 boxes too, and these are probably more like a quarter box as well. And then quarter boxes down here at the bottom. So that is the updated micro kit. I hope you guys love it. Let me know down below how you feel about it. It took me a couple of days kind of going back and forth to get all of this done and to get all of like the polling done to try to figure out what everybody wanted, but I think I got it to where it's going to work really nicely for everyone. I love how it turned out. So I will have a plan with me using one of these up within the next couple of days so that you guys can kind of see. So yeah, that's the Reformat. This one was April well, it's just called Showers, I guess. And I did Showers 1 because I've got another one of these I might release, but I'm gonna wait a little bit since it is kind of early. But as far as the full boxes on that one went, I had a couple different ones I wanted to do. So the next collection is called Warm Heart. If you've been around for a while, you may remember this one. So you've got this really cute polar bear, and then you've got your snowflake, and then everything else is the same. So I'm not going to spend a ton of time going through all of these. Also, this is silver foil, and I don't think I mentioned Showers is also silver foil. I'm obsessed with this though. It's just so cute. I love it so, so much. We've not had this kit in a while, which is going to be true of a lot of these. A lot of these are like 2 years old, but I thought that would be good to bring them back then since it's been a while since we've had them. Next is called Let It Snow. There we go. So you've got your quote box says Let It Snow, and then these really cute Ugg boots. This is silver foiling as well. And this was actually a mystery kit a year or so ago. I think it was November mystery last year. I'm not sure. So I thought this was another thing that maybe a lot of people don't have. And I just love the color scheme of it so much. And I think it's really cute. So that is Let It Snow. Next is Chill. This kit, this was like 2 years old, I believe. It's been that long since this has been in the shop. So you've got a full box here that says Stay Cozy, and then her hat is also foiled. She has purple hair. I love the purple hair against all of this, and I love these colors as well. I think they're really bright, really fun. So this one is Chill. I think it's been 2 years, if not, no, I think 2 years since this has been in the shop. This was one of the first foiled kits that I ever did. This one and this one. So this is called Sparkle, and I believe same thing, that it's been about 2 years since this one was in the shop. I did a reformatted version of this one last year, which I also have over here. But this one was the older version. So you've got that ornament that's got some foiling, as well as that reindeer with some foiling. Super traditional Christmas colors. I love that. And then this page is going to be exactly the same on the next kit because, like I said, it was a reformat. So this one is called Merry and Bright, but it's totally different. I used the artwork in that first kit, and then I used just large foiling in this one. So you've got the foiled ornament as well as the foiled snowflake. And then your second sheet again is the same. So that one is Merry and Bright, but all the colors are the same, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Next, we have got Fearless. I believe that this was October mystery last year, but it was something that never got re-released, and I really loved how this turned out. So you've got your quote box. Also, I didn't mention Merry and Bright and Sparkler gold foil. This is also gold foil. So you've got your quote that says Be Fearless with this really pretty vine, and then you've got this floral, and this is also foiling. It's a little bit oh, there it goes. Oh, this is foiling in this box around here. Really fun, bright colors. Like I said, October mystery last year, I believe, and then there's just a bunch of marble throughout. So yeah, that one is called Fearless. Next is called Snow. This one is silver foil, and this again is a kit that was like 2 years old. But I love it. So this one has got this really cute little penguin. He's got some foiling, and then the world changes when it snows. I love these colors again. I think they're really, really fun, and I think it's a really fun kit. I did in like the washi, we've got the penguin poking out, the polar bear poking out, like just super cute. I think it's a really fun kit. So that one is called Snow. Next is another like 2-year-old kit. This is called Peppermint, and this one is holographic foiling. I love these colors as well. So yeah, that one is Peppermint. And I guess I should mention the big foiling piece is the Peppermint. This one does not have any foil. Next is called Cabin Life. I believe that we had this kit last year, but it was one of our best selling kits, so I wanted to go ahead and bring it back. Also, I think it can be way more like wintry instead of Christmas. Come on, camera. So that's another reason I wanted to bring it back. So you've got this really cute deer foiling, and then your pajama set that says Cabin Life. And then the colors, I'm obsessed with. I love these colors so much. Gold foiling, and then the last one that I've got is gold foiling as well, and this one is called Pup Love. I was gonna call it Pug Life, and then that isn't a pug, right? Anyways, so I believe that this was I may be wrong. This may have been November mystery, or maybe this was September mystery last year. Either way, so you've got some foiling up there in those florals. You've got that really cute dog and then gold foiling. Yeah, so that is Pup Love. So that is all of them. There are 11. They are $5 throughout the weekend, and then that will switch over probably Monday morning to be the regular price of $7.50. I hope you guys love them. I hope you love the reformat. Let me know how you feel about it down in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.